Higit ko.
Sound check, sound check.
Inon ko na.
Middle mo muna yan niya para maganda ang ano.
Sound check, sound check. Alright, this is going to be the last game for today.
Nakakuha ng import.
Sinabi ko 15 seconds at sinabi ko 10 seconds.
Nakakuha ng import.
That's from there 10, 9,
Kaya ako ng papel, yung papel.
Ano ba sila?
Ito pre, ano yung mga sponsor? Ito. Okay, back! Ayun na, BMS. Mighty Finance.
Alright, we would like to thank our sponsors to make this tournament happen. VMS, Mighty Finance, InvestLink, Panyero, Amy,
Malang per hour yan.
Van Beveren. Alright. Hi to everyone, to all our 10 million viewers. Let's get it on. Alright, next, this game will be the Triple R versus Gilas Legends.
Sige. Left,
Rep, ano pa alam, Rep? Okay. Alright. Gilas Philippines get the first possession. Take a shot, 2 points. Triple R pass to number
One.
one. Number one is looking for a teammate. Pass to number 20. 20 take a shot. Rebounded by Gilas Philippines. Number 22 looking for a teammate. Pass to number 15 to number 7.
15.
Yeah. Three points. 3-point trip. What? 3 points.
Gilas.
Gilas. Right, number 17 dribbling the ball. Counts for 2. Number 22 for Gilas Philippines, looking for teammates, dribbling the ball, harassed by number 1, number 15, pass to number 4. Out of bounds.
13 seconds.
13 seconds. Number 15 lays it in, foul. Who's foul, Rep? 4-5, pushing foul. 2 shots to be awarded from the team.
Mamaya i-adjust ang kamay sa'yo na dahil napindot ko. Dapat yung foul, first team foul yun. First team foul.
First shot, good.
Hindi, yung number 2. Tulang. Napindot ko lang pare, sorry. 5-2 lang. 6-2. Yeah, 7-2.
Alright, 7-2 is the score. We will reset it shortly. Bear in mind, 7-2 is the score. In favor of
Gilas.
Gilas Philippines. Right, number 45 pass to number 17. 17 look for a shot. 2 points. Number 7, Gilas Philippines with the ball. He passed, turn over to number 17 of Triple R. Right. Foul. Blocking foul. 22 foul.
First personal foul, first team foul.
First personal foul, first team foul. Gilas. Triple R, number 1 dribbling the ball, pass to number 30. Number 30 looking for teammate. Number 27 shot, good, 2 points.
27.
Number 24, dribbling. Number 24, 13-second shot call. Number 22 makes it 3. Number 1, Triple R dribbling the ball all the way to the basket. Miss. Number 15 is still on the ball. Pass to number 17. Number 17. Counted and 2. And 1 for number 17.
Who's foul, ref?
15.
1-5. Walking foul.
Nung bata ako, ginagawa ko din yun eh.
Ay, boss, can you pass the cup?
Oh, man.
Nung bata pa ako.
Number 17, bonus free throw. Bonus free throw, number 17, good. Gilas Philippines, number 7, is dribbling the ball. Pass to number 4. Number 4 is looking for his teammate.
14 seconds kaya.
14 seconds shot clock.
10 seconds.
10 seconds, number 7 made a shot. Offensive rebound, number 7. Pass to number 15.
15 seconds.
Lays it in. Number 45 took a shot. Yeah, the loose ball foul of number 24.
Who's foul, ref?
24. Second.
Team foul.
Second team foul. Number 1 lays it in. Number 15 rebound from Gilas Philippines. Pass to number 22 lays it in. Foul. Shooting foul committed by number 30. Number 22 draws the foul.
First. First personal, second. Second team.
First personal of number 30.
Second
Number 2.
team foul.
Second team foul of Triple R. First shot basket.
Hindi, yung ano, yan o, yung bakal.
Second
Sa gilid.
shot, good rebounded by number 30. Number 1,
Yung bakal
receiving
ng ano.
pass. Looking for a teammate. Number 17,
15
dropping the
seconds.
ball. 15 seconds, took a shot. Number 22, rebound. Gilas Philippines. Number 15 is looking for a teammate. Number 7, pass to number 4. Dribbling, looking for a shot, looking for a teammate. Number 15 lays it in. Basket. Right, number 1 for Triple R. Pass to number 45. Looking to take a shot. Right. No position. Jump ball rip.
Kanino?
Same ball.
Alright. Decided to be the same ball and wala daw. Extra ball. Yun. Same ball, is it?
Same ball.
Rep.
24 seconds ulit kasi sumama siya rin.
24 seconds to net. Reset, is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Triple R. 1 outside place. Alright, 24 seconds. Reset. Number 16 lays it in. Rebound again. Oh. Number 4 for Gilas. Pass to number 24. 24 is dribbling one. Pass to number 4 again. Number 4 is looking for his teammate. Pass to number 7. Oh. Number 21, walking foul. So that's third
Third na yan? Third personal foul.
team.
Third team foul.
Third team foul. Number 4, hoist to the 3. Same ball according to
Ref. John Lee.
Shot clock.
Ref John Lee. Shot clock
22.
22. Number 7, dribbling the ball. Attempting the crossover. Turnover.
Ha? Ref going.
Ref Bugay daw, hindi yun. Number 16 is dribbling the ball.
15.
Pass to number 10.
Rebound.
Rebounded by number 22. Coast to coast, pass to number 4, laid it in. Rebounded by number 15. Dribbling the ball. Lays it in. Foul.
Who's foul, ref?
Number 1-5. Number 15.
Second.
Down.
Personal foul.
Second personal foul.
Third team
Third team foul. For Gilas Philippines.
Pasok mo, Wally!
Anong lamig?
First free throw, good. Number 15, Mr. Nabong, is taking his second throw. Second throw, good. Gilas Philippines inbound to number 7. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 15.
Seconds, yeah.
No. 13 seconds on the shot clock.
10 seconds.
10 seconds. Lays it in. Rebounded by number 15. Pass to number 21. 21 fake. And pass to number 3 seconds. Violation. Alright, next time, ref, he's gonna take it. He's gonna shot it. Next time.
Next one.
Alright, Gilas Philippines, number 22 is dribbling the ball. Attempted, tries, makes, hoisted a 3. Rebounded by number 21. Stolen by number 7 all the way to the basket. And number 15 rebounded the ball by Triple R. Dribbling the ball, looking for a teammate. Pass to number 15. Hoisted a 3. Number 7 rebounded the ball for Gilas Philippines. Number 15. Pass to number 4. Lays it in. Followed up by number 22. 22.
Last shot.
Last shot, 3, 1, 0. First quarter over.
Yes.
Sab, lahat ng komite, sab.
Sino kabila?
May naman pa pala kayo.
Nako?
May naman pa eh.
Ingat.
Ay, ingat.
May naman pa.
Sila? Sige.
Ingat.
May naman pa, me.
Anong gilas na yan? Ay,
Ano yung
gilas?
tama, kuya?
Oh, dahil doon kasi ang ring ng gilas kanina eh.
Tingnan, kuya.
Hindi nga, gilas na. Critical
Mag-diet.
Sa diet pa eh.
Eh, naman ta. Kinuha ko ha.
12 points.
Right, first quarter over. 12 points by Gilas Philippines and 11 points.
Pare, legend. Gilas legend.
Hindi pala, no?
Gilas legend.
Hindi mobile.
Hindi. Sorry, Gilas Legends. My bad. Alright, you can take it as one level from me.
Mobile Legends.
Mobile legend.
Hindi Mobile Legends.
Rock, second quarter on the go. Okay, 10 minutes on the clock. Rebounded by number 24, pass to number 22. Attempted a shot, pass to number 22, hoisted a 3. In and out, number 30 rebound, pass to number 1. What is it, ref? Offensive foul. Number 1, that's all good. Offensive foul. Yep. Ref Jun Lee made a call that time.
First team foul.
Number 4, Gilas Legends this time, not Philippines. Right, number 4 is looking for a teammate. Pass to number 7. 15-second shot clock. 3 points by number 7. And saved by himself. Pass to number 24. Dribble. Still stolen by number 16 for Triple R. And pass to number 30. Turnover, number 24, steal the ball. All the way to the basket. Lays it in. In and out. Yes. In one. By number 3-0 foul. Blocking foul. Shout out to Mr. Nabo.
Mr. Best, 30-second personal foul.
Second.
Second.
Number 3-0, second personal foul. Bonus shot, no good. Rebound by triple number 17. Pass to number 15.
15 seconds.
Number 22. 15-second shot clock. Pass to number 22, looking for a teammate. Number 7. 10 seconds. Inlet pass. Up rebounded by Triple R, number 17. Pass to number 1. Out this pass to number 16. All pushing foul, is it?
Second personal.
Second personal, first team foul.
Pushing foul committed by number 22.
First,
First
personal
foul. Second team foul by Vegas Legends.
Mike mo na nga, para hindi na.
Tries to inbound the ball. Stolen by back to number 17 again. Makes it 2 points for number 17. Gilas Legends, number 7, pass to number 22. Harassed by double team, pass to number 15.
13.
12 seconds, shot clock. Oh, reaching foul, number 15. 1-5.
First personal.
First personal foul, number 15.
Ay, third team foul. Ayun na.
Third team foul. Yeah. Traveling.
Subdivision.
Subdivision daw.
Subdivision or substitution?
Subdivision. Akala ko subdivision daw. Subdivision.
substitution. Pag sinabi sa
And
subdivision.
15
15 seconds.
15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 16 is dribbling the ball. Traveling.
Subdivision.
Substitution ref. Triple R 15 sub by number 45. Gilas Legends, number 4 is dribbling the ball. Pass to number 7. Stolen by Triple R. Pass to number 1. Number 1 lays it in for 2 and 1 again. Number 7. Pushing foul.
First personal foul, 13 foul. And number 7.
13 foul.
13 foul by Gilas Legends. Bonus free throw by number 1. Free throw is rebounded by Gilas Legends, number 17, pass number 22 to 24. 24, pass to number... Didn't handle the ball well. Number 17 stole the ball for Triple R, pass to number 45. 45, pass to number 1. Number 16, hoist to the 3. No good. Number 22, rebounding the ball. Pass to number 4. Up. Number 22.
Third personal foul.
Third personal foul.
Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty. 22. Blocking foul.
Third personal foul, number 22.
22. 3 fouls.
Third personal foul, 14 foul. Warning for penalty.
Number 17 lays it in for 2. Wow, Gilas Legends, pass to number 4, back to number 7, pass to back to number 4, and back to number 7, pass to number 24, lays it in for 2. Triple R is leading by 1. 3 minutes, 50 seconds remaining on our second quarter.
Nangyari, akala mo lagi papatak.
10 seconds on the shot clock. Pass number 1. Lays it in. Makes it for 2.
Subdivision. Substitution pala. Sub. Number 16.
Reaching foul.
Subdivision.
Warning for penalty.
3-0 foul.
3-0 foul daw.
Hey, Diao.
Wangin na rin sila.
Meron.
3-0. Three fouls, is it?
Yeah.
Both teams are warning for penalty. Pass to number 1 of the ball, lays it in. Good job. Play on. Alright, get us Legends, number 4, lays it in.
Penalty.
Blocking foul, number 27. Penalty.
Penalty. Penalty.
Mamaw talaga.
Penalty. Now, ref, 2 shots. For number 4.
Check. Mahina sila.
Mahina, pwede ba laksan? Kapalit tayo?
Ayoko. Mas maganda ka.
Hindi. Number 4, first shot. In and out.
Yung inanak. Inanak.
In and out. In and out. Second shot, no good. Number 16, rebounding the ball, 27, pass to number 1. And then number 1 dribbling, kind of hesitated, pass to number 16, lays it in, 4-2. Gilas Legends, inbounded to number 7, pass to number 24. Turn the ball over. Stole by number 27, number 1, lays it in, basket. 2 points and 1 again. 7. Penalty. Bonus free throw for number 1.
Number 7, second personal foul.
Number 7, second personal foul. Bonus free throw by number 1. In. Basket. Gilas Legends. Alright, out. Out of bounds. Okay, out of bounds. Alright, our 2 very good officials will talk it over. Time remaining 34 seconds and the second quarter.
Iusap lang kayo, ubus oras.
24 seconds, alright. Triple R possession. 20 seconds. There's not much big difference on the shot clock and quarter clock. What? Number 15. Rebounding the ball. Penalty. So our second quarter is about to take over. 2 shots for number 15.
Ilan na?
60-26. 60-26 favor triple R.
Triple lamang.
26 points in favor of Triple R. 2 shots. Pasok. Oy.
Counted.
First throw basket. Number 15 is going to take the second throw. No good.
17 na yun.
Halftime presentation.
Sasayaw daw si Anthony.
Ano, pag sumayaw ako dyan, mawawalan tao dito.
We would like to thank our sponsors for this tournament. Investment, Triple R, Gilas Legends, Mighty Finance, Panero,
Pas mga sa ulo ng pusa.
Van Beveren,
Kaso nga.
wala. Amy,
Magkano mo buhay mo
Investment tapos na VMS,
Pwede kang bumig. Mga 60 years old na. Siyempre, hindi pinira na. Sige.
sino ba na? Ito si Reverend John Lee na po siya.
Yan, pwede na. Sabi ng lalaki. Sabi ng lalaki, magpantay.
Patay oras lang po. Ayos na talaga.
Sabi minutes to ah.
Pero bakit hindi ito na
Back to the ball game.
back to the ball game. Third quarter on the way.
Nice rep.
For all our viewers, we would like to inform you that this will be the last game for the elimination game. And next weekend will be the knockout game between the teams standing third, fourth, 5, and 6.
Ang ganda ng boses mo. Singer ka ba natin?
And ngayon, sportscaster na. 3-point shootout and all-star game. Oh, exciting! 3 points by number 15. 3 versus 6, and also 4 versus 5. Right, stolen by number 1, lays it in for 2.
Tignan mo sila, oh.
Inbound play.
Ang ganda ng pasahan. Unselfish basketball ba? Hindi ah. Hindi ikaw nakakalimutan ako ah. Yun ah.
Number 15,
10 seconds.
10 seconds on shot clock.
8.
Lays it in for 2. Number 17, good. Gilas Legends, number 7 dribbling the ball, pass to number 4. Number 4, V Virus is looking for teammate. Back to number 7. Back to number 17 inside. Basket for 2. Triple R inbounded to number 1. 15 seconds on the shot clock.
15.
Triple R is now leading by 14 points.
10 seconds.
10 seconds. Back to number 1.
6,
Number 17.
5,
Triple fake.
4, 3,
4, 3, 2, 1. 3 points. Rebounded by number 15 of Gilas Legends. Out this pass to number 4. Are you able to catch it? Yes. Up. Reaching foul by number 45. 45.
Pre, pa-announce yung earrings.
Earrings for you guys inside the court. If you have earrings, please take it out for our safety.
Pasuyo ko ng mga earrings.
Sanla mo
Tatanggal
muna.
ko muna.
Sanla
Pati
mo
po
muna.
patak-in. Pag wala akong mapahabilin na dito sa committee at madali ko
Pakitakin po yung shirt. Pakitakin po.
Yung mukha.
Takin mo.
Pakitakin naman po para medyo presentable tayo sa ating mga viewers.
Daw itak-in. Tak-takin yung mukha.
Number 4, hoisted to 3. Now we're rebounded by number 15. Number 15 lays it in. Wow, committed by number 15. Number 15, triple R.
Second, personal.
Second personal foul.
Second.
2, team foul.
Second team foul. Yung pares, taas. Updated yun.
Ba't laro nila ang friendly kahit naghahampasan tayo, muntik pa magkagulo ano.
Oh, kanina nga. I like this game, bro.
Ito kasi
The
nagpasimula.
last game wasn't that pleasant. Because of the team captains.
Uy! Puta! Ako baka puta!
Sino bang tagtado ng isa? Di ba si Kuya?
Counted,
Hindi,
counted.
wala.
Violation.
Hindi, kaya ano, kaya
Arnold, di ba?
Arnold.
Kayong dalawa yung magulo eh.
Uy, hindi ah!
Alright, now we're back to the ball game. The official committee is making fun. Yeah! Number 15 is out. 3 points, ref. 3 points. Number 7, pass to number 15. Number 15, crossing it over, behind the back, pass to number 24.
15 seconds.
Almost turned it over. Our shot clock is at 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 24 lays it in for 2.
24 assists, number 7.
Ano, lagi binaba natin sa ilalim.
Yeah.
Gagano naman tiyan eh. Sino ba yung team captain ng
15 seconds. Arnold.
Technical game, dalawa na magulo last game.
5 seconds.
5 seconds.
5,
4, 3, hoist to the 3, out of bounds. Gilas Legends inbounded number 15 to number 7. Number 22 lays it in, no good. Rebounded by number 45. Pass to number 15. Oh, triple R, pass to number 30. Back to number 15. 13 seconds. 17 lays it in for 2. What a shot. Was it? It looks like to me 350 degrees turn in the air.
4 pa lang. 25 na yun ah. Tsaka 10 steals ah.
Number 15.
Technical.
Bonus free throw for number 17.
Bata ko, kaya ko yun eh.
Pinapaikot na.
Kuya, unang game na to kahit medyo mas maganda ka na naman, pero hindi nila masyadong mareklamo nung nakaraan. Ang daming mareklamo nung nakaraan. Yung mga team captain din natin. 2 points.
Ang ilo, may hugot ah.
15 seconds. 15 seconds.
13 seconds on the shot clock. 3. Nothing but net. 3 points from number 7. Number 16 for Triple R is dribbling the ball. Pass to number 15. Back to number 16
15
of
seconds.
Triple R. 15 seconds. Pass to number 17 on the inside. Rebounded by number 7. Lays it in. No good. Offensive rebound. Yep. Number 7, 2 points. Behind the leg pass. What a pass to number 17. Ref Durnley says it's no good. Before the shot, it's a travel. Number 22 is dribbling the ball. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 4. Hoist to the 3. Another one for Team Gilas Legends.
Time out, Brad!
Timeout reserve. On the next net position, number 3, hoist to the 3. Basket. And 1. That will be a 4-point play for number 30. Timeout. Blue. Okay, good explanation, Ref Junli. Nice officiating.
Rinig mo, Chun-Li daw. Chun-Li.
Chun-Li.
Puta. Ang layo ng John-Li. Chun-Li.
Junli nga.
Chun-Li.
Ito pinapasubo ko yung technical warning. Thanos. 3 minutes remaining on the third quarter. Both teams have 2 team fouls. Bonus free throw will be awarded to number 30 for his 4-point play. Is this the 4-point play for the whole tournament or has been done before?
Ata.
You should make it right.
Ngayon pa lang eh.
Yes! First 4-point play of the game of the tournament. Pass on 4. Out of bounds. Same ball. Uy. Croissant.
Birthday ni Garan? Happy birthday, Garan!
Happy
Happy birthday to you!
Wasan.
Sige ba, thank you.
In the pass number 24. Oy, technical. Oy, may naghuwi daw kasi.
Landing foul.
Number 10.
Technical!
Technical free throw. Number 24 will take a shot.
Ball possession o hindi? Ball possession?
Hindi kasi pasok eh.
Wala.
Ano,
okay.
shoot? Shoot? Counted? Hindi.
Counted.
Hindi, yun.
Counted yung una, yung ngayon hindi.
Hindi, yung ngayon tira. Bonus. Wala.
Hindi, wala. Alright, Triple R possession. Number 1 is down in the play to number 16 and back to the ball to number 1. Number 1 looking for Simek. Being harassed by number 22. Backcourt violation. Backcourt violation.
Tawid na kasi.
Number 7. Oh! Traveling. Binigyan ako. Rebounded by number 4. 15 seconds on the shot. Number 22 is taking to take a shot. What a nice layup, man. Up and down.
Shot clock. Time remaining.
Time remaining for our third quarter. 31 seconds. Number 15 of Gilas Legends is lays it in. No good. Rebounded by number 7. Attempted again. Rebounded again. Foul against
Tanga, makakahabol pa.
number 30. Sorry. Number 10.
Tapos yan.
Wala na. 1 second remaining in the third quarter. Number 7 change. Number 7 first shot is good. Second shot is basket. Wow, the game is getting exciting now. Triple R only leads by 8
8
points.
points.
Now, viewers, the next 10 minutes of the game will be exciting.
2.4 million viewers.
2.4 million shout out to Kuya Ran for organizing the game. Score, Triple R, 43 points. Gilas Legends, 35 points. We are now on the fourth quarter.
Woohoo! Chuli!
Hello.
Back to the ball game.
Binigyan kasi ako.
Birthday.
Timeout daw si Kuya Bes.
Natuyuan na lang
Back to the
muna.
ball game. Gilas Legends. Number 22, pass to number 7, pass to number 4. Tinira. Hindi pumasok. Rebound by Paraño, number 15. Pinasa kay Van. 15 seconds in the shot clock. We got a foul. Is it a foul? Yes, I think it is. Number 4.
First, number 4. First foul. First personal.
First personal foul. First team foul. Number 4. Rebound, Martinez.
Putang ina.
Pass to number 1. Pass to number 4. 15 seconds into the shot clock.
Para mulawin eh.
Number 7 trying to figure out what to do. 10 seconds with the shot clock. With the shot with 3. Write that down. Now, Triple R with the ball. Number 16. 15 seconds with the shot clock. Block. And it's Gilas Legends ball. Number 22. Crossing half court. Pass with it, almost steal by
Pare,
Triple
nasan mo
R.
na?
15.
Nasan mo?
With another 3 points. Out of bounds. That's Triple R's ball again. Pass to Van. Pass to 45. Pass to number 1. Trying to make a play. 15 seconds in the shot clock. 11 seconds. 10 seconds with a shot for 3. No good. And I think we got a foul. Number 30. Number 30, warning for graduation.
Number 30.
Substitution. Number 27. Number 20 with an attempt. With a rebound. An attempt for a 3 from number 4. Number 15 for the rebound. No good, still not good. Triple R with a rebound. And that's it. Number 20, 24 in the foul. Second team foul. Back with the ball. Trying to take it in with a layup. Yeah, good, baby. Number 7 crossing half court. Pass to number 24. Trying to sneak it in. Number 22. With the pass to number 4, 15 seconds. With a 3 attempt, no good. At the bounce. In favor of Triple R, blue ball. Score is 38-45 with 6 minutes on the clock. Van trying to force it in. With the layup, no good. Rebound by Gillis Legends. With a steal by Van. It's getting pretty intense, number 45.
Galing ah.
Trying to pass to number 45 again. Pass to Van.
12 seconds.
10 seconds in the shot clock. 9, 8, with a block. What a block.
7 seconds.
Shot clock, 7 seconds. 7 seconds in the shot clock, ladies and gentlemen. 7 seconds. 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3. This one's pretty good.
Who's ball
Who's
ref?
ball ref? Jump ball.
Jump ball possession.
Legends ball. Whoa, man. Sorry, blue ball. Blue ball, blue ball. 1 second.
14,
I think we got a
14.
timeout.
Timeout,
14.
timeout, timeout now.
Timeout. We got a timeout, guys.
Kinola mo pa ako? Sa susunod din, kukuhanin tayong dalawa.
Time remaining, pare.
Time remaining. We got 5 minutes on the clock. Still running time. The score is still 8-45 in favor of Triple R. And we would like to thank our sponsors again. We got
Hindi ka na naglaro?
Mighty Finance. We got Amy. We got InvestLink. We got Van Veteran. We got Venus Legends. We got Panier Ben Rentals, VMS.
Hindi naman pare.
Triple R.
Sabi mo lang,
Amy. And we're back to the game.
Ayok na yan.
Ang gulo ng committee na to. Pero so far daw, the best.
Blue ball again, trying to inbound the ball. Pass to number 17. Trying to force it in. And we got a foul.
Third.
Third personal foul. Venus Legends.
13 pow.
3 foul.
Third personal, 13.
Third personal foul. 13 foul. And we got 17 on the free throw. First throw not good. Trying to go for a second one. And second attempt for the free throw.
Nakakangilo yun ah.
Triple R. And it's good. Inbound by Gilles. Pass number 7. Crossing half court, pass to number 22. Trying to force it in. Stolen by Van.
One back, all the way to the big win.
All the way to the
Nice
basket.
break, good.
With the rotation. Oh my gosh, what a move by Van. Number 7 crossing half court. Crossing half court. And we got a foul from Van.
Holding. Who's ball ref?
Number 1. We got a foul.
Second personal,
Second personal foul. For
team foul.
second team foul for Triple R. With Van holding hands. Pass to number 4, number 15. Pass to 22, pass to number 15 again. Going all the way to the basket, and it's good, yes sir. It's in. And 1.
Third personal foul.
Third personal foul.
Third.
Number
Sino foul daw?
45.
45, foul.
Number 45. Third personal foul. Number 45. With the end 1. No good. One free throw, rebound by number 15 again. All the way again to the basket. Nah. Didn't work. Number 1. Trying to go in. Number 17. Crossing. Nah. No good. Van with the rebound. Sticking it in.
Basket.
Number 4. Oh, got stolen. And I think we got another foul. I think we got a graduation from number 30.
Ayop na yan.
Down to number 7. Pass to number 4 with three-pointer.
Nagtuturo. Yung paul.
Seconds.
Ayop na yan.
Van all the way. Passing to Nabu. With the shoot. Nothing by the
Big 3-point shoot.
Ladies and gentlemen, number 7. Crossing half court. US Legends trying to make a score. Stolen by Van. Number 15.
Ay, sayang.
No good. Trying to make a layup. Number 7. Pass to number 4. And it's no foul. Rebound by number 16. Trying to do all the way. No good. Rebound by number 22. All the way to the basket. Block by number 17. I think it's a foul.
First personal foul.
Foul.
Penalty.
Number 17.
Penalty.
Penalty. And we are on the penalty, guys. Time left. 126.
Iban o sumali.
Score is 40-53.
Si Kalusa.
Still in favor of Triple R.
Pero maraming mistakes sa si Ban.
Free throw, no good. First attempt, no good. Let's go for a second one. And it's good. Second free throw's good. Trying for a baseball pass to Van. And he lays it in. 24. Number 7.
MVP ah.
Passing to 27. Trying to make a three. No good. Rebound by number 24. Trying to make a steal. 7 shot. No good. Substitution, ref.
Para time remaining.
Time remaining 1 minute and 3 seconds. We got Clear Rand inside the court. Pass to Clear Rand. Oh, trying to pass. No, it got stolen almost. 24, trying to find someone. Pass to number 22. Pass to number 7. Pass to number 4. Within attempt for 3. No good. Duran with 2-pointer.
Tira na.
No good. Still trying to shoot.
Isa pa.
No good.
Biggie, uli!
Number 27 pass to
Bigyan mo!
Duran again.
Bigyan mo!
Pass to Duran again. Number 8.
Bigyan mo! Bigyan nyo na!
No good. Wow, there you go. With the score from Duran. 8 seconds on the clock. Our score is 42-57. Thank you very much to our sponsors. And good evening.